Welcome back. A fast review, a quick review. ألف باء تاء ثاء. ألف باء تاء ثاء. جيم. This is جيم with a dot under it. حاء with no dots. And خاء. جيم حاء خاء. Three brothers in the Arab language. Usually we write them like this. جيم. We join another letter after the letter. حاء we write like this with no dots. حاء is this. خاء is the same with a dot on it. This sign is فتحة. We say جا. This letter equals to J in English. With this sign we say جا. G A A جا. With this sign. With this sign it is كسرة. This sign is كسرة. We say G. J E E. With ضمة, this sign we say جو. We say جو. حاء with فتحة حاء. H A A. It is حا, like what I'm saying, حا. With ضمة we say حو. 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 With كسرة we say هي. هي. خاء. خاء, it is not in English and ha isn't in English. خاء in English equals in Spanish language Juan or Jose. This letter in the first. خاء we say خا. خا. خا we say with ضمة we say خو. with كسرة we say خي. Don't forget to subscribe. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 letters. Goodbye until the next video.